Well, at this point you'd think I wouldn't upload for another month. But even the Nigerian president himself wants me to upload. We need ArabianDork to upload every day. Yes, my mom did cut my hair, and what is this?
I don't get it. I can't believe this. We finally have a hater.
High five! Cloning, captioning, and keyframing. Probably the coolest edits right now. So to clone yourself, you need your phone or camera at a steady place and make sure it doesn't get the slightest shake, or it's gonna look weird. Make sure that you have the same lighting because sometimes your camera might catch extra light and ruin it. Now you want to record 2 separate videos and make sure nothing comes in the middle because that's where you'll be splitting your clips. Then you'll overlay them with the green/blue screen and cut them apart like this. Moving on to the easiest but most time consuming part, which is captions. To do this, open Keynote, new document, make sure it's on wide, type in what you want to type and then make the background green. Export, then import to iMovie and select green/blue scale. And finally, to keyframe, select the clip that you want to keyframe and put it on top of your other clip and click this, which is the keyframing button, and then start keyframing whatever you want. Before this video ends, if I land this, you have to subscribe.